and this is all basically just for YouTube. So I've ordered a couple of drones. I got this one. This is the GOOL47. It's a small pocket-sized drone that's just made for selfies. So quick unboxing. The instruction booklet. I purchased extra props, like 3 extra props. Comes with a charging cable, a little handheld controller, and you can see how this thing operates. There's a whole lot of YouTubers out there that actually do videos on these. I'm going to give 2 of them kudos because they really go in depth, and I watch both of their channels quite often. One is Captain Drone, and the other one is Drones 101. But this is a very small drone. Handles about 10 minutes of airtime. Everything folds up, and you can fly it in close quarters. This one actually has GPS on it, so it'll hold position. I also bought like a couple extra batteries. So this is for when we're around shrines, on the beach, in different areas. We'll be able to break this drone out to get close-ups and possibly get some lower aerial footage, so it won't be like a nuisance to other people in the area. So I just wanted to show you that. That's going to be going in our bag. So that's one of our little arsenal pieces in this great YouTube battle. And we have had this drone out and flown it, and it's quite weird to get used to just because of the hand controller. Like I said, you can search this little drone up, and Quadcopter 101 and Captain Drone, both excellent guys. Appreciate the work that you guys do. You can actually go there and watch their reviews on it and their flights and how it operates. So that's one of our drones, and then the next is, and this is the first time this is getting taken out of the box. We put a lot of research into doing drones, and I wanted to start out with something that wasn't so expensive, because who knows if it gets stolen during travel or it crashes. I don't want to be out like $2,000. The thought came up for getting like a DJI drone, which are supposedly like the best. This, in my book, after watching a lot of reviews, is number 2. So we ended up ordering this, which is a SJRC F11, and it comes in a funky silver box, and you can see it was shipped straight from the boat in China, and the box has taken a beating, but the drone is perfectly fine. So on the side it uses the SJ GPS Pro app, which is available on the App Store and on Apple apps. Comes in 2 different versions. F11 GPS 1080 or 1080p 5G, and then the F11 Pro. The F11 Pro is 4K video. And I can't remember which one this actually is because it doesn't really say. I'm looking at its foldable wings, GPS return home, points of interest, waypoint flight, so that you can program an area and it will fly around that. It has active lock, so it will follow us around when we're walking down a beach or somewhere. It'll also take pictures and stuff when you do hand gestures. It has approximately 26 to 28 minutes of flight time, and this is true. Everybody that's had this drone says it flies about 25 minutes, which is a really long time for this size drone. So that's about it. It also comes in 3 different colors. Black, which we have, white, and then blue. And I've never seen a blue one. Only the black ones. So there's a bunch of warnings. Pretty much standard equipment and stuff on the warnings. It says it should be charged by its original USB cable. Only batteries of the same or equivalent type are recommended to be used. Don't mix old with new batteries. Blah, blah, blah. This actually comes with rechargeable batteries in it. So, as we flip it around and open it up, what we notice first is a nice little protective layer of foam. So we pull the foam off. This version I bought came with extra propellers. So it actually has 3 sets of propellers. Handset with little foam gimbal protectors. The drone, as you can see, is pretty hefty. Remove the first layer of foam. Another set of blades. So there's another set of 4 props that come with this copter originally. And then a USB cable for charging. And then a little box that holds the operating directions. And this is fully cut out for everything. So you could literally get like a nice hard case and put this stuff in there as a 2-layer if you want, or even a single layer, and reuse their foam. This is actually pretty decent. There's cutouts in here for, so like if you buy like another battery, which I have on order, and different things. So yeah, that's kind of neat. I like that. So we'll get the box out of the way. Open up our instruction booklet. And this instruction booklet is 9, 13, 17, it's 23 pages long. There's a fair amount of information in this book. Like I said, I'm not going to go in depth like Captain Drone. So if you want, you can go check out his. This does give a listing of how to operate everything, how to change the propellers out. It tells you about your first flight, how you should calibrate the gyros and stuff in the drone. And how to take off the emergency landings and stops and stuff. So it tells you about the headless mode. This actually does pretty good. So a very simple handheld control. You can use it just by itself or add on your cell phone or a small tablet. And you can actually see what's going on with the camera. So this will flip up for your cell phone. It extends out. Antennas come up. You can see light down through them, so they're fake antennas. Everything's internal. I may look at upgrading that. You have your power button. And then there's all kinds of little lights and stuff that go on for return home. This is for headless mode, launch and land, GPS, and return home button, your power button. There's a movie button here to start taking movies. The button here is for taking a picture. This is a speed dial. Outboard is slow. Inboard is to the second speed of fast. This wheel on this side here is for your gimbal control. Gimbal down is out. Gimbal up to look at the horizon is inboard. And then you have your 4-way control sticks. So it's pretty simple. Tap and press will shut it off. And it stores up fine. I mean, you can keep this in a small backpack. We have a carrier that's coming. So the wings fold out, and this is pretty sizable and it's pretty heavy. I'm actually liking this drone. If I can get it out right. There's legs, so the arms specifically come out in order, front to back, and that is the drone. Pretty nice. So I'm looking at it and I'm thinking that this has got to be the 1080p, because the lens would be a lot bigger if it was the 4K, which I thought it was 4K when I ordered it. I wanted to have the action camera and the drone match for video quality. So I'm pretty upset. I have seen updates you can buy online, upgrades, to where you can change this whole camera setting out. And there is an SD card holder here so that you can record in high definition. The battery comes out of this thing. Press 2 buttons. Pretty large battery for a drone. I like it. Has some heft to it, so you know it's built with quality. I can buy all the spare parts off banggood.com, which I like. And the propellers look like you have to remove two small hex screws in order to remove the propellers. They're not quick change. I'm not sure if I can upgrade this to quick change or not, but we'll give this drone a try and see what happens. So, fold it up, we reverse it, rear legs first, fold the propellers, then the front legs. Rear legs, front legs. So hopefully it's kind of thunderstorming out now. Hoping maybe later on we can get these things out to fly and shoot some videos so you can see what you're going to be expecting. So again, thanks for watching the video. Come back and check us out later on. We'll be posting a lot more videos as our time to the Philippines get closer. And of course, our little fun excursions will be online. We will be posting a lot of video. So again, thanks for visiting. See you later, guys.